Welcome back to the channel. Today I have got an insane AI opportunity you don't want to miss. If you are into AI, machine learning or building real world projects, this could literally change your career. So before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video. Coming over here to the main page. So what is it? The AI Summer Residency by IIM Ventures is now open for their application. Now, it is not a normal course or webinar, it's a build focused residency where you can actually create AI products from scratch. And the best part is that you need to visit and you can participate individually. And most importantly, it is free of cost. You don't have to pay a single thing over here. Now, who can participate in this particular program? Whether you are an engineering student, undergraduate, pursuing arts, commerce, science, any stream can participate in this particular program. And the program is exclusive, which will help you to build some cool projects also, which you can add in your resume later. Now, it is divided into three phases. Okay, first phase is stream in idea discovery, second is build sprint, and third is validation showcase. So in phase one, you'll be meeting serious builders, means you'll be forming a team and just working on projects. Okay, they'll be helping you, guiding you to discover the idea. After that, you have to work. Okay, you have to work and build a MVP, means you can build your prototype for the particular project, whatever you have discovered. Then you have to just run the validation sprints, means you have to just showcase your progress, present and get the feedback. After that, you'll be able to get some certificates, and maybe if your project wins, maybe it will be allowed for the startup from the founders too. Now here what they are offering, the best thing is that they will be offering 4 to 6 way in-person stay on IIM Ahmedabad campus, that is free of cost. You don't have to pay money to stay there. Mostly for visiting that place, if you are from a different state, you need to pay, means for your travel expenses you have to pay, but for living there, means in the campus, you don't have to pay a single thing over here. You'll be getting free cloud AI LLM API credits worth $25,000, which is free of cost. You'll be getting direct access to AI founders, technical architects, and GTM specialists. And this program, as said earlier, it is free of cost. Okay. Now here, who should apply? If you are serious about AI, you want to build something, you want to know something new from the founders directly, then you should take part in this particular program. So application is already out and it is started, and the last date to apply is 31st of March 2026. Okay. So the program timeline is from May 2nd or 3rd week of mid-June. Okay, they will be announcing once you are registered in this program. For registration, I've already shared the link in the description. From there, you can check it out. And this is the main website. You can understand about the program, and for any doubts, you can reach out to them. So hurry up and participate in this program. And if you're interested in other events also, you can just check out the channel. I have shared multiple events. For example, whether it's related to GSOC, whether it's related to the POTD challenge, whether it's related to the Unstop and the GenAI Academy Epic Edition. So this was all about these videos. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.